Taas-taas na.
I love to drive na. I want to drive every day.
Hinahinay yan.
Oh my God.
Both sides.
Both sides. Body language. And then right turn. Mag-right turn. There you go. And then we go left turn.
Why? Kuan. Wag gitaw nagsuroy-suroy. Minutas panahon. Uy, minut kayong clouds. Ay, yung hanti kay kan proud kay kunimo day. Uy. Dili na ko i-reels. Uy, yung nira ko mag-reels ka nang nanakay ko.
Sinsya.
Oh.
Driving.
Driving.
Thank you, Ate Cecil.
I love you day.
Love you too.
Nakuan dyan hindot eh sa panahon. Love it.
Man is driving.
Yeah, as in, proud nga, nag-drive na.
Yeah.
Linis on the wheel.
Yes, Lynn is behind the wheels now.
Behind the wheel. No more.
Alrighty.
Yeah, ako na yung passenger.
Yeah.
Ding. Ako na ang passenger.
Yeah.
Well, lipstick. Ako yung lipstick. Murag play. Pareha kita gipanulob plain. Imo purple, ako blue. Well, lipstick man. Lipstick ko niya ako. Look who's driving. Si Andrew ako nag-practice, Mark ako nag-practice, ikaw ako nag-practice. Ano lang ko, driver instructor.
Oo, pwede na. Pwede na ka mag-driver instructor. Maestra ko si Ate Cecil. The best.
Who's the best, Day?
Ate Cecil's the best.
Best teacher?
Best teacher.
Abi na akong teacher ako sa classroom na hasta di ay sa
driving.
Mag-driving, ano lang ko, instructor.
Yeah, you can do it.
Kay katulong naman ka. Nga akong nahimong student driver. Who's driving? Look who's driving. Hello people.
Yay.
Thank you, no? Kinahanap mo drive. Uy,
Nahan na jud ko, ready na jud ni.
abot na jud yung panahon, no? Nga ikaw lagi ready. Ready na jud. Hinahinay lang kayong pump.
Hinahinay lang, kan hadop na si Ate Cecil.
Ako na, ang instructor na inaadlok.
Nakulbaan ang instructor. Yan, arabay backlighted to.
Baklay.
So, very good. Nakulbaan taon si Ate Cecil.
Yan nanay maglibang-labang.
Oh my gosh, I love this, Ate Cecil.
Naganahan na ka, no?
Yeah. At least, layo.
Ya, kinanlan. Nag-take ra ba nga ito ni mo? Lain ra ba nga sakyanan? Hindi na lang sakyanan. Familiarize di kasi ilang.
I can pick it's my car or their car.
Yeah.
So I can use my car.
Yeah.
It's $10 less if I use my car. Brian will let me use that car now.
Dito kay ngano pangita pero
I have the insurance and everything. So
kay ilang car day na more i-charge.
Yeah, I got it ready na. So it's like $25 cheaper kung imong car. So I have to use my car so I get familiar to it, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna drive the Nissan.
There you go, Nissan ito day.
Yeah, it's my Rogue Nissan, so that would be my car. Ah, video pa. Muna ni siya first student nga murag mulupad na. I'm excited, Ate Cecil.
Ikatulo na nako nga estudyante. Pero first day pa nimo.
First day.
First day of driving.
Yeah.
Ni Lini. Asaka, today is April
29.
29.
Yeah.
We don't forget that.
I won't forget that, Ate Cecil.
Pwede kang balik yan to.
Taas. Balik atong na-track.
Kay
I-check
imong
naman.
sundon.
I check, walay tawo. So,
Walay tao.
ako tong Abson tong track.
Abson. Magtiglumba na siya.
Hindi na maglumba na ako ng Abson. Hinayan ako atong track.
Kay maato nang niya mi Canada.
Yeah! I'll be
Siya
the
na
driver.
mag-drive.
I will do that.
Kay mag-follow na sa GPS.
GPS retirada. Maabot na kung Canada po ani. Di ba, Ate Cecil?
Straight on ra ba na, day? Dito ra ko nag-GPS pag abot na sa border.
That's true.
Nag-straight na gid nako ang I-5.
Come down ka basta na ka ng bump.
Come down